and ideas to create a sustainable school.
What is environment? A healthy environment means clean air, safe water, rich biodiversity, and green forests. Our environment is our life support system, and caring for it ensures a better future for everyone. To speak about sustainability, sustainability means using resources wisely in a way that meets our needs today and without harming the ability of our future generation. In addition to it, sustainability is about living responsibility today for a better tomorrow. We have got the three pillars of sustainability: environment sustainability, social sustainability, and economic sustainability. Our project is about environment sustainability. It is about protecting natural resources, reducing pollution, conserving biodiversity, and switching on to renewable energy.
What is a sustainable school and how to create a sustainable school? A sustainable school is a school that cares for its environment, saves resources, and teaches its students to live responsibly. A sustainable school itself. What is a sustainable school and how can we create a sustainable school? A sustainable school is a school that cares for its environment, saves resources, and teaches its students to live responsibly. A sustainable school itself sits as an example by protecting environment and inspiring students to build a greener future. Here are some. A self-sustainable school should possess energy saving techniques, water saving techniques, build more green spaces, waste management techniques, and should teach its students about sustainability. We have got some ideas to make a school sustainable. Energy. Installing solar panels to produce electricity. Water. By building rainwater harvesting. Building eco ponds can save water. From making compost from food and garden waste, reduce single-use plastic in school can improve the waste management. By creating a school gardens for vegetable, fruits and herbs and planting more trees to improve air quality. Learning and awareness. Teaching sustainability in class through projects, organizing eco-clubs and green campaigns, encourage students to practice eco-friendly habits at home too.
Sustainable practices at Ramco Vidyalaya. Here are some list of sustainable practices at our school. Solar panels at the school premises to harness clean energy. Miyamaki forest to replenish oxygen content and lessen carbon dioxide emissions. Stormwater management at school, rainwater harvesting, school garden and waste management. Solar panels at school premises. Solar panels are installed in the school premises. They harness clean, green, renewable energy. Students can learn about science, technology and renewable energy through real-life examples. Solar panels last for many years and provide free energy. Miyamaki Forest. Ramco Vidyalaya is the only school in the district having implemented growing trees, a technique to counter carbon dioxide emissions. Miyamaki Forest is a method of growing dense, fast-growing native forest in a short period of time. Trees grows 10 times faster.
Ready.
Trees grow 10 times faster and the forest becomes self-sustaining in just 2 to 3 years. It improves air quality, reduces pollution.
Stormwater management. Stormwater management. Our school has wonderfully built stormwater management. Excess water during rains are properly channelized. Stormwater management means controlling and using rainwater properly so it does not cause flooding or waterlogging. How do we have done it? Rainwater harvesting tanks, permeable pavements, planting more trees and gardens, proper drainage system. School garden or nursery. A school garden is a small space in school where students grow plants, vegetables or flowers. It's important because it helps students learn about nature and healthy food. Makes the campus green, teaches teamwork. Benefits of having one include hands-on learning, healthy food, environment care, and well-being and community spirit. Waste management. Waste management is practiced seriously at our school. More importance is given to sort biodegradable and non-biodegradables. Children sort the waste themselves and drop them in the respective bins provided in the campus. Benefits of waste management techniques: hands-on learning, environment care, well-being and community spirit. Sustainable practices at Ramco cement plants. Mining lesser limestone, a sustainable practice that aims to reduce overmining. Coal usage reduction. MSU fuel, municipal solid waste. AFR, alternative fuel resource, which is made up of 70% coal and 30% municipal solid waste, reducing coal consumption. 100% fly ash utilization. Recycled concrete, reducing carbon footprint, CO2 emission. Green belt cover over 1,35,700 trees in all of the integrated cement plants has neutralized the 13 lakh kg of carbon dioxide till date. Strictly adhering to the 5 years principle. Eco ponds, stormwater management, biogas plant, herbal garden, solar panels to harness green energy without depending on the electricity grid. Mining reserve limestone. Over-mining means extracting too many minerals from the earth faster than nature can replace them, limiting the mining. By reducing limestone mining, we can save the natural resources, reducing energy use, lower pollution, encouraging the use of eco-friendly materials like recycled concrete, fly ash or alternative building methods.
Coal usage reduction. Coal is a non-biodegradable. Overuse means coal usage reduction. Coal is a non-renewable. Overuse means future generation will run out of this resource. Since coal is a non-renewable resource, we must reduce this use. Harmful effects of more coal usage. Burning coal usage releases smoke, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. It leads to breathing problems, acid rain, global warming, lung diseases like asthma, bronchitis, and fly ash. Coal waste can pollute rivers, lake, and groundwater. Coal is the biggest source of greenhouse gas. Our cement plant uses AFR, alternate fuel resource, a technique which utilizes 75% of coal and 35% of municipal solid waste, reducing coal consumption. Municipal corporates undergo a process called biomining to create refuse-derived fuel or DF. This fuel is burnt along with coal, thus it minimizes the usage of coal to a certain extent. Recycled concrete. Recycled concrete is a concrete that is taken from old buildings, roads or demolished structures and then crushed into small pieces. Instead of throwing away, this material can be reused in construction. Benefits: it saves resources, reduces waste, saves energy, eco-friendly and cost-effective. 100% utilization of fly ash. Fly ash is a fine, powdery material that is left over when coal is burned in power plants. Instead of throwing it away, it can be reused, recycled and used in construction, especially to make cement and concrete. Benefit: it saves limestone. Fly ash is used extensively in making bricks, cement, concrete. Recycles waste, stronger concrete, eco-friendly. Biogas plant. Biogas plant is a system that produces fuel from waste materials like food waste, animal dung and other organic matter. Benefits: it produces clean fuel, reduces waste, eco-friendly, provides organic fertilizer, cost saving. The 5S principle. The 5S principle helps any organization, be it school, college, company and other workplace, stay clean, organized, safe and efficient. Ramco Cement Plant strictly follows the 5S principle in its work environment and culture to make it one of the best cement plants in the country. The 5S principle is as follows. Sort, saving, keep only what is necessary. Set in order, sacred. Arrange things neatly so they are easy to find and use. Shine, Seisu, keep the place clean and tidy. Standardize, Seiketsu, make rules and routine to keep things organized. Sustain, Shitsuke, make discipline and keep practicing the 5S daily. Stormwater management. Stormwater management saves water, protects the environment and creates a healthier campus. Stormwater management is taken seriously at the cement plant. Rainwater harvesting. Focus on saving rainwater for later use. Collecting and storing rainwater directly from rooftops. Water is stored in tanks or underground reservoirs. Stormwater harvesting. Focus on preventing flooding and recharging groundwater. Maintaining excess rainwater that flows underground. Usually directed to drain ponds or recharge pits to prevent flooding.
Eco-ponds. Eco-ponds are small, man-made or natural ponds designed to store water in an eco-friendly way. They help collect rainwater and stormwater. There are 3 types of eco-ponds located in your neighborhood to replenish groundwater resource. Benefits of having them include water conservation, groundwater recharge, support biodiversity, reduce flooding, educational value. Green belt cover, reducing carbon footprint. Carbon footprint means the total amount of greenhouse gases released into the air because of our daily activities. Green belt is the number of trees planted in a neighborhood to counter green gas emission. Benefits of having green belt cover: fights climate change, prevents soil erosion, improves rainfall, supports wildlife, protects water resources. Herbal garden or nursery. Herbal garden is a small garden where different kinds of medicinal plants and herbs are grown. Benefits. Herbal garden are important because they provide fresh, natural medicines. Teach students about the uses of herbs in Ayurveda and traditional medicine. Make the school environment greener and healthier. Help preserve traditional knowledge about plants. With an advanced institutional landscape, India should be prepared to deal with multifaceted nature and finding methods to adapt sustainability in a much wider scale. Government should encourage and support ideas related to sustainability. Extensive research should follow. Sustainability must be educated to the children at the school level. Educational institutions that follow sustainable measures have to be awarded with grants.
However, the current challenge is to develop integrated approach which can be widely used to implement this technology. If the government can implement ideas related to sustainability, we can move towards the aim of developing sustainable future for the generation to come. Policymakers need to ascertain sustainability as it is important for a country like India.
Thank you.